Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, people, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Definitely worth the download and definitely worth the price. Now, the name of the watch face is going to be called Accessory 3 Digital. It has a very nice look, a super casual dressed down watch face that's going to fit most occasions. And in the AOD mode, you will get your digital time and your info at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, here's where it really starts to shine. I love the look. I like the whole layout of the watch face and the theme. Now, to one side, which is to the left, you're going to be able to get your date, the day of the week, your month, and also your battery info. To the right, you're going to get a black background. You're going to also be able to tap into your phone, your messages, and also go into your weather. And if you're on your run and you need to get tuned in to the road with your music, you got your music player right at the top as well. Up under that, you get a nice digital time, which is very legible. Up under that is all your step status info from floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked or ran, floors climbed, and also you're going to get your heart rate information as well. Now, if you look at the watch face, around the bezel of the watch, you got a red ring that's going around it. You can customize that color as well. Just double tap at the top and you get a few different colors that you can tap into to customize it to whatever color you may have on for the day. And if you don't want a color at all, you can also have that as well. A plain, simple digital watch face that looks super awesome. And yes, the watch face is interactive. So if I could tap into it, I can go into my weather, make a phone call, text messages, and again, you can go into your music player. Down at the bottom, you can do the same thing. If you need to go into your step status info, you can do that as well. And I like what the developer brought to the table with this one. Again, the theme looks super awesome, and the price is definitely right. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this watch face and if it's worth the download or not. All right, you all, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.